Good morning. At the tree. Well, with the leaves falling off the trees, everywhere starting to look autumnal. Welcome to this week's vlog. Let's hope we get a few. Well, time's 10:30 and I've got all 3 rods out. I've got 2 rods in the usual spots, but my extreme right hand rod I have moved. Because over the last few weeks I've been fishing it down that far margin, I've had 1 line bite. Yeah, 1 line bite from it. So what I've decided to do is move it further out. I suppose it's about 5 yards from where my middle rod is, but I've put out a good spread. I mean, on the on the far bank there's old platforms from when it used to be the match venue, and they're spaced at about, I don't know, 15 yards apart, I suppose. Yeah, about 15 yards apart. And on that far margin I'm covering 2 of the platforms. So if you like, there's a platform there and a platform there, and I'm baiting between the 2 along the same line. So I've got a good spread of bait out there. That's had 3 hands full. The most productive rod of late, which is the left hand rod, that's just been fished on its normal spot with, again, 3 hands full of bait over it. I know sooner or later this run of fish that I'm having is going to come to a close, and it's going to be back to struggling. So while I'm still catching, I'm still going to be out fishing. To put it into perspective, the last weekend I came out, I had 8 fish, which was not the weekend gone, the weekend before. And somebody fished this swim over this last weekend and they had 2 fish. So whether they're moving to pastures new, I don't know. I mean, everybody has a run of fish. They can't seem to put a foot wrong, and then they're doing exactly the same, and then the action just stops. So I've been lucky so far. I did count up on Saturday. I mean, it's the 22nd of October today. And from the 13th, 14th and 15th of September, when I fished Jason Social, I had 1 fish. But since then, I've had 19 fish. So it's got to come to an end soon. I mean, we all have them red letter times. The red letter times are easy. It's just the times that you get coming up to them red letter times where you have to sit down, struggle and find the winning formula. And I think over the last 5 weeks, is it? Yeah, say last 5 weeks, I have done that. This is evident with having 19 fish. And the longest session was 2 nights. And that was that weekend where I had 8 fish. I had 1 overnighter, 1 weekend, that, I'm going to say a 48, but perhaps it was it was a 48, because I didn't get down there till 2 o'clock, did I? So that was that, 48. 48 hours has been my longest session. The old leaves are falling off the trees now. The lake's bloody covered with it. Fishing slack behind it, it don't do me a lot of good. But I'll persevere. I'll get my dinner on in a minute. I don't know what I'm going to have. Now I'll put my bivvy up first. Yeah, I'll put my bivvy up first. And then see what transpires from there. Put my bivvy up, get everything sorted. And away we go. Hello everybody. Time's 12:15. Just put my dinner on. Yeah, I've been raking the fishing these last few weeks, but I had a relapse in my health last night, and I'm not really feeling it. I mean, I've got my bivvy set up, got nothing in it, because I was going to do a 24. But not really feeling it. Don't want to be here, don't want to be at home. So I think I'm going to pack up after my dinner. Well, I'll give it till 3, see what I feel like at 3 o'clock. And then I'll make my mind up. Like I say, I got my bivvy up, got the rods out, and I'm just not feeling it. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Give it till 3 o'clock, see how I feel then. And then make the decision at 3 o'clock. Right, sign off. Get me dinner down my throat, and I'll see you later.